HoOponopono has many advanced techniques which help you to solve your problems very quickly. Eraser technique is one of those techniques which can literally help you erase your problems just by using a simple eraser like this, or you can also use a pencil which has eraser at the end, so you can call that a pencil technique also. Now, how this works, what happens when you do this, and how you can do this at your home, we are going to cover everything in this video. So subscribe to our channel for more such videos and like this video before we move on. So first thing first, what can you expect when you do this particular technique? So whenever we do eraser technique, we can expect the negativity or the blocks in that area of our life to be cleansed. Now, how this happens, we don't know, because anything which happens with HoOponopono is happening at a spiritual level and we really don't know how. So just forget the how. Second thing, what all you need. So first thing that you need is a paper, and I'm using this kind of paper. I also use ruled papers of my diary and then I tear them off, so you can use any kind of paper. Then we need an eraser. You can have any kind of eraser. New is also fine, old if you have is also fine. Then you can also use, instead of eraser, if you don't have this, you can use a pencil which has an eraser at the end. That also works fine. And a pen of any color, which is also good. Now let's start how to do this particular technique. So I'm writing my name on top of this page. So I'm writing my name on one side, and then you write whatever you want to clean in your life. So for example, let's say example, I want to do something with my business. So I write my business name, which is Purple Heart Consultants. And at the end, I'm going to share with you one of the results that I got with this particular technique and how it earned me a huge amount. And you can also write the date. So aaj ka date when I'm creating this video is, let's say, 29th of August. So this is how you write. One side you write your name, next side you write the problem. The problem, even if you do not write in detail, that's fine. Which area it is, which person it is, with whom you have this problem, you can just write that particular thing here. You can write the date, and if you have certain feelings, thoughts, beliefs, you can mention it here on the page, but that's also fine even if you don't do this. So this is the simplest of eraser technique which I'm sharing with you. There are many other ways in which you can use this eraser to solve many of your problems, but since we are doing it on YouTube, I'm just explaining the simplest way. So if you are done, then what we need to do is, we need to first clean this eraser, and we clean this eraser by saying dew drops. So when we say dew drops, we are literally meaning os ki boonde. So you hold your eraser and you imagine that dew drops are coming on this eraser. So you just say dew drops, dew drops, dew drops, dew drops. You can say a couple of times, and then when you place your eraser and tap on this page, and especially on the space between the two things, your name and the problem or the solution, whatever you want, and you just simply say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, and you tap along this line, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And how many times you have to tap? You can times as many times as you want. You can start minimum with 21 times, maximum as long as you feel inspired to do so. So with HoOponopono, you'll always hear me say whatever you feel inspired to do, because it's all about intuition, inspiration and guidance. So follow your instinct here, and what will happen after this, what you can do is you can just tear this page off and throw it in the dustbin. And if you want more greater results, you can do this technique for at least a week or 21 days at max. What will happen? So I did this just once for one particular course which I wanted to start. So it was a very high ticket course which costed around, or which I was charging, where I was charging around 1 lakh rupees from one person, and I was doing that for the first time and I was not very sure. So for example, I have to sell my course the next day. Before that night, I wrote my name and then I wrote high ticket program, and then I did this, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, same way that I have told you here in this video. And you wouldn't believe, next day I got my first high ticket sale. Yes, I earned 1 lakh rupees in that particular webinar, and it was a very simple, the most simple webinar I have ever done, and very honest webinar. I just told everyone. I was not even having the offer, but the person told me later that he was waiting for me to start this program, and he just bought it. And the beauty was, in a couple of days, even without seeing my webinar, seeing my offer, seeing anything, another person enrolled for the program, and as soon as the person got to know about it, the person paid the amount in full that very moment. So whatever the blocks were, and I was expecting few other people to buy this program, and these two people were not on my mind, but those people did not buy, but different people bought it. So it cleanses the energy between, the person who's coming to you, not only in your business but in any area of your life. So it really cleans off, and whatever is right for the best interest of all, it starts happening for you. So in which area you are going to apply this particular eraser technique, which is very, very powerful, very, very simple to do, tell me in the comment section. And what are the results you have got with this? Also share those results. For more such videos, keep watching our channel, subscribe to our channel, and like this video. Share it with at least one person who needs it in his or her life right now. And thank you for watching till the end. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.